you know some areas?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Raytown,
Okay.
New what?
New. So, brother, do you know some areas?
We have Ray,
Okay.
then we have is it Norbrook?
Yeah, no, it's called what?
Kingston.
Kingston, Jamaica.
Yes,
So, brother, Kingston, Jamaica, do you know some areas?
yes.
Okay.
New Kingston.
Okay. Guys, I come back with another video, guys. Amazing video, guys. Today, guys, and last time, guys, I did this video about do Kenyans know the capital city of Jamaica. And guys, as you have seen, everybody was saying Kingston. That means they know. So today, guys, I want to go deep into that and ask Kenyan people if they know some areas in Kingston. Yeah, for me, guys, like for me, if I come to Kingston, my area would be New Kingston because that's where I like. So if you are living in New Kingston, shout out to you. Yeah. I'm coming there soon. So guys, let's go and see if Kenyans know some areas in Kingston. Yeah. So guys, thanks so much. Today I was asking people if they know some areas in Kingston, Jamaica. So I'm here with the brother. What's your name?
My name is Brian.
Brian. So Brian,
Yes,
do you know Jamaica?
yes.
Do you know their capital city?
Kingston.
Kingston. Oh,
Yes.
Kingston. So Kingston, do you know some areas?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Raytown,
Okay.
New what?
New Kingston.
Yes, New Kingston.
New Kingston. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Only those.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So brother, for you as a person, what do you know about what do you like about Jamaica?
Their lifestyle,
Okay.
also their women and their music.
The music.
Yes.
So brother, in the future,
Yes.
if you get time and money, will you go to Jamaica?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. Thanks so much, brother. People, if they know some areas in Kingston, so brother, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Fred.
Okay. So brother, Fred, do you know capital city of Jamaica?
Jamaica, is it Kingston?
Kingston. Okay.
Yes, I know Kingston.
So brother, do you know some areas?
We have Ray,
Okay.
then we have is it Norbrook?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Yes, and I know the two, bro. I know the two.
Okay. So brother, for you as a person, what do you like about Jamaica?
Okay, Jamaicans, I love the way they speak.
Okay.
Okay, I love the accent,
Okay.
and sometimes we do make jokes about their accent.
Okay.
Yeah, because we love the way they speak. We love their music, the reggae music.
Yeah.
You know, the reggae music has dominated the world.
Yeah.
So people listen to reggae music. It's only that people relate reggae music with something that I don't want to say, but we love it in general.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So brother, who's your favorite artist in Jamaica? Mostly we like.
My artist,
Yeah.
me, I love there's though he's not from Jamaica, but he's from South Africa. Who was killed. It's like a dope.
Oh, you like Lupe?
I love his music, but I also love the sound of Jamaica. Yes.
Okay. So now one last question. If you get money and time, will you go to Jamaica?
I will want to. I will want to, by the way. Anytime I will want to, because I do watch some documentaries about Jamaica, and I love their culture. I love the way they insist in their culture. These people are so amazing. So if I get chance of being there, I will. Yes.
Thank you for talking. Today I was asking people if they know some areas in Kingston, Jamaica. So brother, what's your name?
My name is Novik.
So Nofik.
Yeah.
Do you know Jamaica?
Yes.
Do you know their capital city?
Yes.
It's called what?
Kingston.
Kingston, Jamaica.
Yes.
So brother, Kingston, Jamaica, do you know some areas?
Yes.
Okay.
New Kingston.
Okay.
Norbrook.
Not broke. Okay.
Only that.
Okay. So only two. Okay. So brother, for you as a person,
Yeah.
what do you like about Jamaica?
Yeah.
What do you like about Jamaica? What do you like about Jamaica?
Their songs, their reggae music.
Okay. So who's your favorite artist?
My favorite artist is Mighty Diamonds.
What Damos? Yeah. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I was asking people if they know some areas in Kingston, Jamaica. So, brother, what's your name?
My name is Eugene.
Eugene.
Yes.
So guys, support Eugene is a YouTuber. So, Eugene, you know Jamaica?
Yeah, I know Jamaica. I know Jamaica.
You know their capital city?
Kingston?
Kingston, Jamaica. Okay.
Right, yeah.
But I want to know, you know some areas in Kingston, Jamaica?
Ah, we have
Yeah.
Roy Town.
Okay.
We have something new,
New Kingston.
New Brewston, New Kingston.
New Kingston,
Yeah,
yeah.
New Kingston. And this one is called Brewston or something.
No, not broke.
Broy, something.
Not broke.
Broke.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Is it Broxton?
No, not broke. Yeah. Okay. So, brother, I want to ask you, you as a person, what do you like most about Jamaica?
Yeah, I would like to visit Jamaica one day.
Okay.
Why not? I mean, it's a good place.
What do you like most about Jamaica? What do you like?
I like the Jamaican culture.
Okay.
I just like that beach life, you know,
Okay.
where you walking with the short, you wearing. I mean, you don't wear heavy clothes. I also love Jamaican women,
Okay.
and I also love the way Jamaicans speak. You know, they have this vibrant way of speaking,
Yeah.
like I'm from Jamaica or something like that. You know?
Yeah.
I like that vibe, and that's what makes me love Jamaica. And they're so energetic, you know.
Yeah.
It's so hard to find a Jamaican who is just talking like this, you know.
Yeah.
They are always on the mood and they are always energetic, you know.
So I want to ask you, why do you think Jamaicans are so energetic? No.
Yeah, I mean they are so energetic, you know.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
I will say that because I might not have this one explanation to show how energetic they are,
Okay.
but having seen them, you know, just listen to their music. I mean, the beats are crazy. They're energetic, you know. Their women, they're so energetic the way they dance, you know.
Yeah.
And even if you compare them with our African women back in Africa, they're not so energetic as you know, women from Jamaica. They're so energetic, bro. Yeah, I can't say exactly what one thing which makes them so energetic, but I believe they're so energetic. And as I said, I love the beach life, and I just like being free, you know. Yeah, wearing short, going to the beach, and I also like the way their houses are arranged because they are closer to the beaches, you know. Yeah.
So, brother,
I also believe that at some point Rihanna comes from Jamaica.
no. Yeah, I come from Barbados.
Oh, Barbados. You know, most of the people, including me, we confuse Barbados and Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, brother, if you're today just one country, Jamaica or maybe Barbados or Bahamas, which country will you stick?
I will still stick to Jamaica. Yeah, I will still stick to Jamaica, and I've given you my reasons why I stick to Jamaica.
So, brother, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I was asking people if they know some areas in Kingston, Jamaica.
Cynthia.
So, you know Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know their capital city.
Northbrook.
No. It's called Kingston.
Oh, Kingston.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So, do you know some areas?
Yeah, Northbrook.
Okay. And another area? Okay. So, sister, do you like Jamaican music?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favorite artist?
For Jamaica.
Yeah.
My favorite is Oh, I have no idea.
If they know some areas in Kingston, Jamaica, so brother, what's your name?
My name is Eli Spider.
Okay.
Yes,
So brother, are you YouTuber?
yeah, I'm a YouTuber and I'm on social media handles.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this guy supposed to my brother, guys, is YouTuber. So brother,
Yes,
do you know Jamaica?
I know Jamaica.
Do you know their capital city?
Yeah,
It's called what?
New Kingston.
Kingston. Okay. So brother, do you know some areas?
Some areas.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Ray Town
Okay.
and Nobu.
Okay.
Yes.
So brother, for you as a person,
Yes.
what do you like most about Jamaica?
I like their music
Okay.
and furthermore they are Africans, so I love everything about them. I love their music, their accent, their slang, and how they talk, how they bring about matters. Yes.
So brother, one last question. If you get money and time, will you go to Jamaica?
Yeah, I'll go to Jamaica, definitely. Yes.
Yeah. Thanks so much, brother.